Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless outdoor security camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, WIZE Cam Pan V3. The WIZE Cam Pan V3 caught my eye right away, especially with its price tag of just $34.99. It's a bestseller for a reason, offering impressive features for the cost. If you want a solid outdoor camera without breaking the bank, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1080p HD clarity ensures you can see every detail, and the pan and tilt capabilities mean you can cover a wide area, monitoring your driveway or backyard with ease. Plus, the color night vision lets you see in low light, so you won't miss anything important day or night. With over 32,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, this camera has clearly made an impact. Now, some people complained about its lack of 5G compatibility, which can be a hassle if you have a dual-band router. Here's the thing though, for most users, the 2.4 GHz connection is more than sufficient for reliable footage without lag. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective security solution. Skip this one if you absolutely need high-speed 5G connectivity for your home. Now, if the 5G compatibility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a strong focus on performance and features. Product number 2, WIZE Cam OG. The WIZE Cam OG is another great option priced slightly lower at $29.97. With a sleek design and solid features, it's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for flexibility and value, this is a camera to consider. This camera offers 1080p HD video with color night vision, so you can keep an eye on your home at any hour. The instant motion and sound alerts are a game changer, notifying you right away if anything happens. Plus, the option for cloud recording or local storage means you have flexibility based on your preferences. With a 4.4-star rating from over 22,000 reviewers, it's clear that users appreciate its performance. Now, some users pointed out the need for an outdoor power adapter, which can be an extra cost. But honestly, it's pretty standard for outdoor cameras, making it more of a minor inconvenience than a deal breaker. This camera is perfect for those who want great performance without a hefty price tag. Skip this option if you prefer a completely wireless setup without any additional accessories. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a comprehensive security solution. Product number 3, ANSQUE4 Camera Kit. Now let's talk about the ANSQUE Security Camera Kit, which is priced at $279.95 for a full set of 4 cameras. This option is more of an investment but offers features that can change the way you secure your property. If you want a complete home security system, this one is worth checking out. With 2K color night vision and 360 degrees PTZ surveillance, these cameras provide a panoramic view of your property, ensuring absolute coverage. The AI-powered tracking is impressive, automatically following movements and linking clips from different cameras to give you a full picture of any incident. With built-in local storage and no subscription fees, it saves you money in the long run. However, some users noted that setting up the solar panel could be tricky. Here's the thing though, once set up, it requires minimal maintenance, which is a huge plus for busy homeowners. This kit is perfect for anyone serious about home security and wanting the peace of mind that comes with multiple cameras. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic single camera setup. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly but still feature-packed, the next option might interest you. Product number 4, 2026 Upgraded HITLLRCM. Next up is the 2026 upgraded HITLLRCM, priced at just $29.98. This camera has a lot to offer for its price, making it an appealing option for budget-conscious shoppers. If you want a reliable camera without spending a fortune, this one is for you. With 2K UHD video quality and full-color night vision, this camera truly stands out. The battery can last up to 6 months on a single charge, which is impressive and means less hassle for you. With over 4,900 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, users are clearly satisfied with its performance. Some reviews did mention that the motion detection can be a bit overly sensitive. But honestly, this can be adjusted in the settings, so it's more of a minor tweak than a major flaw. This camera is great if you want a solid option that keeps costs low while still providing essential features. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features that come with higher price tags. And finally, let's wrap things up with our last option that balances performance and affordability. Product number 5, 2026 Enhanced 2K UHD. Last but not least, we have the 2026 Enhanced 2K UHD security camera, retailing at $25.17. It's a fantastic budget-friendly option that still delivers impressive quality. If you want an affordable security camera without sacrificing features, this could be your best choice. Plus, the 6-month battery life means you won't be climbing ladders every few weeks for a recharge. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from 2,000 users, which speaks volumes. One downside some users mentioned is that it can be tricky to set up initially. But I'll be real with you, once you get it going, the setup is intuitive and user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable security solution on a budget. Skip this if you need high-end features like advanced AI tracking or multi-camera systems. So there you have it, 5 excellent wireless outdoor security cameras that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you want something affordable or a comprehensive system, there's something here for everyone. In recap, we've explored the WIZE CamPan V3, Wyze Cam OG, ANSQE Security Camera Kit, HITLLARCAM, and the Enhanced 2K UHD Security Camera. Each option has its strengths and caters to different needs, whether it's budget, features, or comprehensive coverage. Consider what matters most to you when making your choice.